Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. The limited edition Summer Glossybox arrived, so today we're going to jump into a full review, unboxing, and I love the bag. The bag is really cute. We're going to talk about all the products inside and go through all of the details. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. I do upload every other day and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the limited edition summer bag for the glossy box, stay tuned. Okay, so all in all, this box is a $35 one-time buy. This is not part of the subscription. You do save $5 off of it if you are a subscriber or if you purchase a subscription with the box. So I'm going to be operating off of the $30 value because I feel like if you're getting the limited edition box, you are already a subscriber. I will put a link in the description box if you're interested in getting it. Not an affiliate link. This is not sponsored. We're just doing an unboxing. Anyway, we're going to jump right into this. So the Glossybox Summer Bag Limited Edition. Summer does not officially start until June 20th, but we know it really kicks off after Memorial Day. Beaches and pools are opening, the sun is shining, and now you are fully prepared with your Glossybox Summer Beauty Bag. Keep your skin and hair hydrated while maintaining a beautiful summer look with these essentials wherever you go. Stay glossy, the Glossybox team. Obviously, it's not really included in like the value of the products, but I really do like this like double-sided clear bag. I like these clear makeup and skincare bags, especially like for travel when you can kind of see through and everything's right there. So obviously like that's not included in the price, but for me, that is definitely part of the value. First item out of the box comes from Skin Repair, the Ritual of Care for All. This is formulated with vitamin K for anti-aging, CBD for soothing, and arnica for anti-inflammation. This cream is used by salon estheticians after peels and waxings because of the soothing and healing qualities. It is perfect for face and body, including sensitive skin, brightening under eyes, and correcting hyperpigmentation. Retails for $34. Top tip, gently massage onto a targeted area or apply to the entire face and neck. So this is going right into my giveaway because it does contain apricot oil, which I've mentioned many, many times my husband is deathly allergic to. So unfortunately, I cannot even open this to try it or smell it because of the apricot allergy. But if you don't have an apricot allergy, you should have no issue with it. Based on the ingredients, it looks like it's going to be very nourishing, and it looks like it's going to be super hydrating just based on the oil quantities in here. Jojoba oil, hemp seed, so definitely nice and nourishing from an ingredient standpoint, but again, unfortunately, it's not something I can try. Next, from Bumble & Bumble, this is the Surf Infusion Oil and Salt Infused Spray for Sea-Tossed Waves. It's officially beach weather. Give your hair some breezy waves with the salt meets oil texture. The mineral complex enhances your natural texture, while tropical oils and sea botanicals leave behind a soft, touchable finish, plus UV filters to help protect against sun damage. This is a travel size, which retails for $17. I have used the Surf Spray before. I received it in a FABFITFUN quite some time ago. My hair's a little more curly and not so much wavy, so it's not really the type of product I tend to go for. But if you like wavy hair, this is one of those staples. My friend Alana, who I've featured on the channel many, many times, is obsessed with this. When FABFITFUN sent me the full size, like, that went right into her suitcase when she was going home. So people who like this product love this product. Unfortunately, it's just not really a product I'm in love with, but again, not really the type of product I use in my hair. I feel like if my hair was a lot longer and a little more beachy and wavy, I would be obsessed with it like everyone else, but unfortunately, that's just not me. Next up from Dome Beauty, this is an eye jewel in the shade Chocolate Diamond. Top tip, use a brush and apply at the center of the lid and inner corners and then blend. This perfectly pigmented mousse-like shadow feels comfortable and lightweight on the lids, featuring a light, airy formula with luscious whipped texture. It provides a luminescent finish that simultaneously moisturizes your lids and allows for a non-sticky or heavy feeling. Retails for $25. You know I'm not really into these cream shadows, so unfortunately, that is going to be an 0 for 3 so far on the box. It looks nice. There's a little bit of shine to it. It's pretty heavy duty, so from a packaging standpoint, I have no reason to believe it's not going to be great. But for product-wise, we are currently 0 for 3, so I'm really hoping that the next 6 are like out of the park amazing, because otherwise, this is going to be the first limited edition box that I don't give a good review to. The next product is one I do own and use regularly. These are the After Spa reusable cotton rounds. I really enjoy these. I have been using these for months and months. So first product, that is a win. Wash once before you use, afterwards simply soak with warm water and squeeze. These are washing machine safe. Retailing for $10, these reusable cotton rounds are a great sustainable alternative to disposable makeup removing wipes. Clinically tested and approved for all skin types. These rounds are made of the softest fabric and require only water to remove even the toughest makeup. I also love using these to put toner on when I want to put toner on my face, and even an essence, which I technically prefer to use my hands for. But either way, I love products like these. I have eliminated makeup wipes from my routine. I have pretty much eliminated all single-use makeup removing products, wipes, the works. So I love having more reusable because they're good for a long time, but after a while of washing them, because I do use one, if not two, every single day, plus Brandon, they get washed a lot, and they're fabric, so they do tend to either get a little ratty over time. Not just these ones, I have them from several different brands, and there's not a single one I found yet that holds up perfectly forever, but that's to be expected. Like, even clothing doesn't wear well after you wash it and wash it and wash it. Next product out of the box is from Solin Notes. This is a deluxe mini rollerball eau de parfum in fig tree flower. Originating in Paris, this fragrance is irresistible with its tangy and compelling black currant, grapefruit, and fig leaf notes, amplifying the delicate fig tree flower and peony heart. Sandalwood and fig milk delicately complete the fragrance with a creamy, vibrant accord. There is so much in there that I am all about, so I'm going to open this so we can smell it. I love peonies. They're actually one of my favorite flowers and definitely like one of my favorite scents as well. Sandalwood, definitely a win. Oh, that's nice. It's definitely a little more like fruit-based than I typically go with when it comes to a fragrance. But it does smell really nice. I'm definitely getting that black currant. I am really happy with that. Normally, whenever I get fragrances in boxes like these, I'm usually like, all right, it's a fragrance, whatever. But this one's actually really nice. Like, I keep huffing my wrist. Ooh, I like that. Next product is probably a neutral for me. I've used it in the past. I didn't love it, but I didn't like shit on it, hate it, like a lot of other mascaras I've tried. This is the Eyeshadow Beach Waterproof Mascara, Vacay and Volume in the shade Black. It is a travel size, which retails for $13. Whether you're splashing in the sea or enjoying a hot summer air, this mascara won't run or smudge. The innovative wave brush delivers instant volume to lengthen and maximize your natural lashes with a waterproof formula that holds a curl even in the most stubborn, straight lashes. I don't like waterproof mascara. I don't. Long wear is great. Water resistant is great. Waterproof, I don't use because I feel like I have to really struggle to take it off, even if I'm using an oil-based makeup remover. So that's going to be a pass from me. But I have tried this in the past, and I didn't hate it, but it's still waterproof, so not really something for me. But mascaras are those things, like whenever I see friends, or I talk to my mom or my sister, they're always like, you got another mascara? I'm running low, or I need a new one, or they just want to try a new one. So mascaras are those things I love having on hand. Next, from Margaret Dabbs London, this is an intensive hydrating foot lotion. Fabulous Feet. Sandal season is here, so it's time to get your heels in check. This award-winning foot lotion's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and hydrating properties help with common foot complaints such as dehydration and skin buildup, even aching feet. This retails for $8. It does have a safety seal, so let's open this without breaking a nail. So right away, it kind of oozed out. It is very thin, which means one of two things. I know it's on my hands, not my feet, but that's fine. The smell is not bad. I don't dislike how it smells. It's very nourishing. Because it's not super thick, it's absorbing pretty quickly into my hands, and I got my foot up. You can't see that. But I did just put it on my feet. Since I'm not touching my face, and I'm probably going to wash my hands after this product anyway, it definitely doesn't feel heavy or greasy. It's a little bit on the, like, citrusy side. Very, like, floral citrus. There's, like, lemon in there. Almost like lemon pledge. But it's not bad. It definitely soaks right in, so it doesn't feel greasy or heavy. I don't know if it's something I will use regularly, but I don't dislike it, so that's a good sign. Two more items. The next one is from, actually they're both from Codex Beauty. I have the Bia Exfoliating Wash, which obviously I'm not in the shower now, so I can't try this. It's a body wash. Oh no, it's face and neck. This creamy cleanser is a gentle exfoliating texture. It's the best way to wash your face after a day in the sun. Elderflower hydrosol gently tones as the milk thistle oil soothes and reduces redness, and castor oil and safflower oil minimize the appearance of pores and increase hydration. Retails for $10. And the Codex Beauty retailing for $15, Bio Skin Superfood. It's important to, after your cleansing routine with a moisturizer. This rich restoring cream is made with Codex's patent Biocomplex, formulated to rehydrate your skin and clinically proven to soften, soothe, and promote a more even skin texture. So these are designed to go together. So I will pop those into my I need to try this. You guys know I don't like opening new skincare unless I'm actively ready to use it. Because of that little jar right there that says 6 months after you open it, it is bad. So until I'm ready to commit to opening and using them, that's not something that I'm really gonna like jump into. But based on the ingredients and what I'm looking at, it's definitely giving me Elemis vibes. So nothing wrong with that. I like the whole concept of superfood and exfoliation in a cleanser. So I am excited to try that out. All things considered, for a $30 value, I mean, I'm just happy with the bag if I'm being completely honest. But there's like 5 out of 9 products in here that I am happy I've received. It is over $142 value, so it's definitely worth the price tag of the $30. I mean, just for the fragrance, the cleanser, the exfoliator, the cotton rounds, and the glossy bag, I am happy. So I know I'm easy to please, but I'm also notoriously picky. So I am happy with these. Let me know your thoughts down below. I do love hearing your feedback, but as far as for me, I think this is a win, especially if you find that you like these after sun products, these skin-focused products, because for me, that's really what summer is all about. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!